Good morning, witches. Jessica back. I got cleared to travel and we're on our way to California. I do have a partial block in my heart. However, I have a 24-hour monitor on, and so when I get to California, I have to find a cardiologist. Now, with all that mess out of the way, let's get right on to this. We left yesterday and I did not have time to upload the video, so you're getting it this morning, and you're probably going to get today's footage tomorrow morning because trying to edit in the truck's a little bit difficult. So when we get to the hotel, then I try to edit and give you updates. But here in just a little bit, we're gonna head to a totem pole park. It seems really amazing. Cannot wait to shoot some of that footage for you. But on this video, I have a Modern Day Stonehenge in Rolla, Missouri. So that's what you're going to see here in just a minute. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. And we're going to get right on into it so you can see that Modern Day Stonehenge, and then we're going to take off and get to that park. I will say this, I seen this sign, and if you check my Instagram, you'll see a picture of it. And it's just the funniest thing. It's called Uranus Fudge Factory. So I just thought that was funny. But anyway, I might add a little picture in there for you so you can check out that. And yeah, all right, guys, I'm going to get out of here and get on the road. Enjoy Stonehenge. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below, and we'll talk soon, witches.